I'm just curious where this road goes. I would like to see. We're gonna find out. So, not such a good speed test. Kinda got, well, first of all, squirrely when I popped it in a second with little air on the front wheel, which I expected. But what I did not expect was to not get into third. See that little mini bike? Thank you for not killing me. Little spin around the roundabout. That was mini MotoGP status right there. What the hell is this? Oh my god. There was no road right there. Oh god. I've been having some of the worst, like, indigestion burps. Just sucks. Hot and nasty. And I don't even know, like, if it's what I'm eating, because I'm eating all kinds of different shit. It's just uncomfortable sometimes. Nice Corvette. Oh look, and a Camaro. Looks like a pretty base one though. I hate you. You're giving me full reign of the road? La 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 la. And brake. I feel like I just listened to this song I feel like the light is green now. Oh God. He probably is gonna slide right into a wall tonight. Just saying. Oh God damn it. Oh yeah, that feels good. Oh, okay. Gotta run to the grocery store real quick. Get some chapstick. My lips are chapping up. But now they are really getting bad now that I've gotten back. Going right up into that supermarket. Oh fuck, that really hurt. Oh look, getting a call from Bert. Minute parking only. I guess they had a policy they didn't let people record their own devices in there, so they made me shut it off. But not a big deal, you know. Every store has their own policy. I really didn't give a shit. If anything went down, they would have had it on camera, that's for sure. Now I'm headed back to my buddy's. Actually, it's his sister's house. He's having a little chill down over there. Alright. Just got done hanging out with my buddy Bert. He's back from the Navy, and he's just spending the week here with some friends and family, so it was good to see him. And now it is 1 o'clock, and I'm tired, and it's time for me to go home.